What should I do today? Oh, I have an idea. Play some Sonic Unleashed. I really remember liking this game when I was a little younger. Let's give it another shot. Time to put it in and have some fun. Let the nostalgia begin.
5 minutes later.
Needless to say, this is not the game I remember it being. I don't even want this in my collection anymore. What should I do with it? I know, I'll sell it on eBay. Hello everyone, it's Jeremy here from BuildYourOnlineEnterprise.com, and today I want to show you all how you can sell some items on eBay. So let's get right into things. To start it off, you want to head over to eBay.com. I'm already there, so once you get there, top left corner here, it'll allow you to sign in. So if you already have an account, you can sign into it, and if you don't have one, there's a register button, so you should register one. And once you registered one and you're signed in, go ahead up here and hit sell. It'll bring you to a page where you can enter the keyword for the item. So I'm looking to sell Sonic Unleashed. Hit enter there, and it'll show related items to the keyword I entered. And here it is, the one closest thing to what I'm looking to sell. Hit sell one like this, and then it'll allow you to select your condition. And I think mine's in very good shape, so I'm going to select very good. It'll then bring me to the item customization screen, which from here you want to start by adding a nice title. You can keep this the way it is now if it's accurate, but if it's not, or you just want to make it a little personal, Sonic Unleashed for the Nintendo Wii. Oops. Very good, complete in box. Add some exclamation points there to make it more interesting. And once you have your title the way you want it, you want to scroll down and add some images. So if you're wondering, well, how am I going to get good images? You're in luck, because I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. Here we are behind the scenes of taking your professional product picture. So you need 3 things to be able to do this. One, any household camera you have laying around should be fine. This is just some one I found laying around. It's been working fine for me. So we got that. Second one, some kind of cleaning device. I have some rag here. Just clean off your item, so to make sure it looks really clean for the picture. You know, you don't want a bunch of dirt on it and grime. You know, you want it to look clean for your picture. And the last thing I could recommend is having a basic plain background, and also having some really good lighting. I have this lamp here. You see a huge difference between when it's off and when it's on. It definitely makes a difference. So be sure to add some lights, have a nice camera, make sure your item is clean. That's all I have to say here. Good luck with your pictures. Now that you've taken your product pictures, I want to next show you quickly how to add them to your listing. So to do that, hit this little plus here, and it'll open your directory. You go find the pictures you want, double click them, it'll open them, select all the ones you want. I took 4 here to really show everything that the person's going to get from all the different angles, just so they can get a really good idea of what they're getting and they're not upset when they get home and open this. So yeah, once those are added, it's time to move on to your description. When it comes to writing your item description, a lot of people get confused and don't really know what they want to say. They always end up overthinking it, and they never really think it's good enough. And I just want to say that it's really easy to do, and it should be short, sweet, and to the point. So all I'm going to write is I'm going to restate what it is I'm selling. Sonic Unleashed for the Nintendo Wii. And then I'm going to also say, like the condition. I'm going to state any real big issues with, the disc is very scratched, or the manual's missing a page, anything like that. Like, it is in great shape with very minor scuffs. So you just want to, I stated that there's very minor scuffs because there really isn't too many things that, damage-wise wrong with it. So it's in great shape with very minor scuffs. and has been tested and working. You just want to give your potential buyer the greatest idea they can of what exactly they're getting through your description. Once that's done, you can move on to pricing. Now it's time to price your item. This is a very easy thing to do, and I'll be showing you how to do that right now. So to start, they give you a recommendation for what to start each of these things at, so you can check them both. You can have an auction start and then a buy it now price. But if you're going to have an auction, I wouldn't recommend putting a buy it now price on it, because it may be like a cap of what you can get for it. So usually it says $2.10 here, but usually I start my auctions at 99 cents, because that'll get more people to see it, and if more people see it, there's a higher chance of a bid war at the end, and you may be getting a lot more than you'd expect from it. So, you know, if I was going to do an auction, I'd start that at 99 cents. But for buy it now, they give you a recommended $4.40. That's what it's going for around now. But if you want an idea for yourself, and not just taking eBay's word for it, open a new tab, head over to eBay. You can check Sonic Unleashed. We already typed it in. Here's what people are trying to sell it for right now. So you can look at these, maybe like, you know, lower yours so you can get a sale. But I like to hit sold listings down here, because what that does shows you what it recently sold for, so you can get a really good idea of what you can get for it. Here, $8.99 plus $3.50 shipping. So I think a solid price from what I'm looking at be about, I'm gonna go with $7 as a buy it now price. I'm not gonna set mine to an auction. So once you buy it now price, you also want to consider how much it's gonna charge to ship. So what I usually do is I hit buyer pays. I don't know the package details. I can set that up later when we're talking about actually shipping your item out. But what you do, if you want to charge a fixed amount, like, because it's going to cost for a game like this, I think like $2.66 to ship out. So you can charge a fixed $2.66 or maybe even a $3. Or you could make the buy it now price a little higher, like $9.66, and give free shipping. I usually like to do that because mine shows fast and free, and people like that, and people search under free shipping. So I'm going to go with $9.99 with free shipping. Once that's done, if you want local pickup, you can select that. Donate to charity if that's what you want to do, go ahead and do that. But other than that, go through, check, make sure everything's exactly how you want it. Yeah, if everything's to your liking, go ahead and hit list it. Success! Your listing is now live. Congratulations. If you're looking at doing this, go ahead and do it, but I usually just hit no thanks. And there you go, that's basically it. Your item is listed, and now it's time to wait and hope for a sale.
1 week later.
So it's been a week since you listed your item, and you know, if it's sold, congratulations. It's time to start shipping, which I'll get into next. But if it hasn't, I want to briefly explain that you may have picked too high a price. If this is your first item selling, it's definitely not going to go for what more established brands are selling it for. So be sure to keep that in mind. Lower your price a little bit, keep trying until you can get that item sold. But again, if you did, congratulations, it's time to move on to shipping. To print your shipping label, you need to head over to eBay.com, hover over My eBay, and then click Selling. Once you get here, you will see under Sell, it'll say Sold. You can click that. Then it will show you some items that just recently sold. Now, I've already shipped out all of these things, but if you click More Actions, you'll see Print Another Label. For me, it should just say Print Label for you, and when you click that, it will, in a second, bring you to a page where you can print out your label. So if you don't have a printer managed already and set up, I already have one set up, but if you don't, then click that and set one up. This is a game, so I'm selecting first class package. The weight is 3 ounces. You can go weigh this yourself if you want to, but I know the games are usually 3 to 4 ounces. You can select if you want priority mail, the first class. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And then, yeah, see, $2.66. All you do is hit purchase postage, and then on the next page it'll say print shipping label. Once you print that, it's time to tape that to your package, which I will be showing you next. Now that you have your label printed, the next step would be to put this on your package. So, got my game here. I have these bubble mailers. I really like these ones from Sealed Air. I'll provide a link in the description if you want to go get some. It's like $20 for 100, I think. It's it's pretty good. But anyway, you just want to put the game in there. If you're going to be selling games, bubble mail should be ideal. But you just peel off a little sticker there, and it allows for, it'll stick closed like so. It's a nice tight seal. You don't have to worry about taping that up. It's really clean. Flip that over. You go over here, grab your label, and there should be a dotted line here. This is some sample I found. I don't want to give away any person's address in there or anything. So, just want to cut that out down the dotted line. You have your label. I'm sure you can do a way better cutting job than I can. But then you want to get that on your package like that. You want to tape, but when you're taping, make sure to not cover up this barcode. You can't overemphasize how important that is. You really need to keep that uncovered. So just tape around the four corners, and your package will be sent to go. And once you're ready to ship this thing out, it's all ready. Just bring it down to your post office, hand it to the lady or man, whoever's working there. They'll scan the barcode and ship it out to your buyer. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I just showed you how you can list, sell, and ship items on eBay. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like down below and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the little notification bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified when I release new video content. Also, be sure to check out my website, buildyouronlineenterprise.com. I have a ton of awesome posts and articles about making money online, starting your own e-commerce business, starting a website, a bunch of really cool stuff. I highly recommend you check it out. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.